Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Honey. So today we are going to do a quick reading on what does a person in your mind wants to communicate to you. Okay, so this is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, so let's see. Please think of the person in your mind. Please think of the person in your mind and we will see what the person is going through right now and what does this person wants to communicate to you. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the person is basically not sure of what do they want in their life. They are kind of being in a loop where they are not able to decide, and since they are not able to decide what do they want in their life, whether it's you or they are stuck with some other person, they are kind of overthinking, and because of this overthinking they are not able to sleep. They kind of feel betrayed, they kind of feel taken advantage of, and they feel there that somewhere the situation between you and them is over. They want to have a communication with you which will be a very strong and sudden communication, but yeah, that's what they are thinking. But at the same time, as I said, they feel the situation is over between you and them, and it's kind of a difficult time phase for you and the person involved in this connection, and they are kind of trying to overcome with this. They think whatever efforts they have put in the connection is not enough, and they are kind of waiting for the rewards. They are kind of, it's like they have left everything to the universe. Let the universe take the charge, and I am not going to do anything here in this connection. I trust the universe. Whatever happens will happen. If it is meant to happen, it will happen. If not, that's the kind of energy they are in. All right, there may be some situations where the person in your mind may figure out a different way to reach out to you. It can be through different person, through a mutual connection, or in a very manipulative way. All right, as of now, either you or the person wants to have some solitude, wants to have some own space, so that they can think, they can actually realize what do they really want in their life. Okay, so they are kind of interrogating, self interrogation phase is happening, where they need to question themselves, what do they really want in their life. All right, and they are trying to create a balance. And for some of you, for very particular few of you, it can be like they are kind of stuck between following the family tradition and listening to their heart. So they are kind of trying to create a balance by not breaking the family traditions, if they are a strong follower of their family tradition, and to somehow manage what is coming over. And the last one is they definitely wants to have a communication with you. They want to have a basic connection. It need not be a relation, at least a friend kind of connection they really want. And they are somewhere thinking of reaching out to you for doing that. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.